Yo, what's up, guys? Today we have this little bundle, and I will open this now. I don't have much record time. Um, fuck. Wait. Um, Wait even more. It's really hard to do with one hand. You see. Oh snap, it's opened. What? Let's open. Cool. Then there is oh, this is the info card about Chandelure and Chorua. Then there is one sticker and one white flare plus one black bolt. There's nothing. There go. Wait again. We open first white flare. Wait. Without nails, this is really hard. I also do the card trick. You can also scan this QR code when it shows to you. I actually forgot. Yeah. So there's code if you want to take. First we got basic energy fighting. Oh my god, this is so hard with one hand. Oh god. This is not efficiency but Joltik. Kohtrita. Lampent. Deerling. Tradicon. Cheren. Saucepak. First reverse. Rock'n'rolla. Basculing and Samurott. Not good pack, but we will see if Black Bolt is the way. Oh god, that was a horrible pack. Well, something I can use maybe. Then there is a new QR code card, and let's see. I predict electric. Oh god, actually, so cool. Oh my god, I see something sparkly. But anyways, Munna, Snivy, Pamper, Curder, Seismitoad, Musharna, Insplan. What? Pokeball Holo. This is a very good card. Darumaka. And it's just a basic Landorus. So I say Cobalion is only good card. Bye.